Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Supabase and Strapi. In order to do so, here we are at strapi.io and we're also at supabase.com. According to Cider AI, both Supabase and Strapi are popular tools used for building applications, but they serve slightly different purposes and have distinct features. Here's a comparison of the two. Supabase is an open source Firebase alternative that provides a backend as a service. It offers a combination of database, authentication, storage, and real-time APIs out of the box. Key features include it utilizes PostgreSQL, a powerful relational database. It has a built-in user authentication and authorization, supports real-time subscription to database changes, file storage for images and other media. It creates RESTful APIs automatically based on your database schema. It's strong emphasis on developer experience with a user-friendly dashboard and comprehensive documentation. It's ideal for applications requiring real-time features like chat applications or collaborative tools. It's suitable for developers looking for a quick setup of backend services without much configuration. Strapi, on the other hand, is an open-source headless CMS that allows developers to create APIs easily for content management. It's more focused on content creation and management. Its key features include easily defining custom content types and fields through a user-friendly admin panel. It allows for RESTful or GraphQL APIs, giving flexibility in how data is structured and served. It uses a plugin ecosystem extensible through plugins, enabling additional features, and it has custom roles and permissions for different types of users, can be easily deployed on various platforms, and you have full control over your data and infrastructure. It's best for content-driven applications like blogs, e-commerce sites, and portfolios where content management is a priority. It's excellent for developers who need to create a tailored content structure and manage it effectively. Choose Supabase if you need a full backend solution with real-time capabilities and are building applications that require robust data handling. Choose Strapi if your focus is on content management and you want to create a custom API for managing and delivering that content. Both tools can be complementary depending on the specific needs of your project. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, click on the link in the description and you'll find our link tree. In there, you will find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code SkillCraft60 for Sintra AI and links for Cider AI and EnzoBot. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.